A stellar nursery, also known as a star-forming region or star-forming nebula, is a region in space where new stars are actively being born from the gravitational collapse of dense interstellar gas and dust. These regions are essential for the life cycle of stars, as they provide the raw materials and conditions necessary for the formation of new stellar systems. Here's how a stellar nursery supports the birth of stars. Presence of interstellar gas and dust. Stellar nurseries are composed of vast clouds of molecular hydrogen, along with other elements and molecules in the form of gas and dust. These clouds are often called molecular clouds because they consist primarily of molecules rather than individual atoms. Gravitational collapse. External factors, such as shock waves from nearby supernovae or the influence of spiral density waves in galaxies, can trigger the collapse of regions within the molecular clouds. The collapse can also be initiated by the gravitational instability of a particular region within the cloud. Formation of protostars. As a region within the molecular cloud collapses, it forms a dense core where the gas and dust gather. This core becomes a protostar, a precursor to a fully formed star. The protostar continues to accrete material from its surroundings, and its temperature increases as gravitational energy is converted into heat. Accretion disk and outflows. In the process of accretion, a rotating disk of material forms around the protostar. This accretion disk plays a crucial role in transferring material onto the protostar. Meanwhile, powerful outflows and jets of material are often ejected along the rotation axis of the accretion disk, carrying away excess angular momentum and preventing the accretion disk from collapsing onto the protostar. Protostar maturity. Over time, the protostar becomes more stable and reaches a stage where nuclear fusion begins in its core. This marks the transition from a protostar to a main sequence star. The surrounding material in the accretion disk and envelope is either incorporated into the star or dispersed into the surrounding space. Cluster formation. Stellar nurseries often give rise to multiple stars simultaneously. The stars born in the same region can form open or globular clusters, with stars bound together by their mutual gravitational attraction. Stellar nurseries are observed in various parts of galaxies, and the birth of stars within them is a fundamental process in the evolution of galaxies. The study of stellar nurseries helps astronomers understand the conditions and mechanisms involved in star formation and provides insights into the distribution of stars throughout the universe.